part 2 because I had to delete some games from my iPhone storage. Next we have these little ring things. I have no clue what they're called, but they're like fidget rings. These hurt my fingers bad. I don't really like playing with them, so I'm kind of just in there. There's a lot of random stuff in here now. We have a little Halloween slinky. How? Why did I do that? But we have the slinky. It's really cool though. Next up, we have this thing that my friend gave me. She made it. It's a little, I have no clue what it is. It's like a worm. Then we have the top of a unicorn that my worst enemy gave me as well. And then we have these two little fidgets that my friend gave me, my bestie. Shout out to her, she knows who she is when she looks at the stuff. We each were supposed to have one, but she just gave me both of them, so whatever. And then I have this that I won at a little game. I think it's like what's it called? Golf. Next we have a very fashionable ring, which I don't know why isn't it. Oh, that's funny. Next up we have pink and orange Play-Doh, or yellow, or yeah, yellow. And then we have blue and orange Play-Doh. Oh, my hair. Blue and orange Play-Doh. Boom, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom. Next we have my little maze thing that I also stole from my brother. I'm really bad at stealing things from my brother. He'll catch me after like a year of having it. So. And then we have bounce ball. Bounce ball. We all love bounce balls. And then last but definitely not least, we have unicorn poop. I'm joking. This is just what it's called. Unicorn poop. It's fine. Kind of looks like poop on camera though. It's orange. I swear it's orange. Orange. It looks so bad. Okay. But yes, I think this is finally the end of my beautiful 2 videos of me showing you my fidgets. I'm so lame at drawing this. We're just gonna put it all away now. Pom-poms. Bounce ball? Oh, that didn't bounce at all. Here. Enjoyed my video here. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. And I have a goal of getting to like 90, because we're at 84, so I was thinking maybe 90 or 85 or something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.